So, you've got a phone in your pocket. It's fast, has a great screen, and keeps you connected. But is it really smart, or just a tool waiting for your commands? You're still the one adjusting settings, organizing photos, and telling it what to do. Now, imagine a phone that learns from you, anticipates your needs, adjusts settings automatically, and warns you about traffic before you even ask. This isn't science fiction anymore. AI is transforming our phones from passive tools into proactive assistants. The leap to AI-powered smartphones is as big as the jump from flip phones to the first iPhone. Instead of just running apps, your phone becomes an assistant, learning and adapting in the background. The goal? Deliver the right information at the right time, often before you even ask. Thanks to new processors designed for machine learning, these phones can do complex tasks right on the device, no cloud required. So is your current phone smart enough for tomorrow, or is it about to be replaced by something that actually thinks? The future of mobile tech is here, and it's more intelligent than ever. Let's break it down. What makes a phone an AI phone? The secret is a neural processing unit, or NPU, a special brain built for AI tasks. Unlike older phones that send data to the cloud, AI phones process information on device, making them faster and more secure. Your phone learns your habits, which apps you use, when you use them, and even how you speak. It preloads your favorite apps, optimizes battery life, and responds only to your voice. This isn't just about convenience, it's about a phone that evolves with you, becoming more personal over time. The difference? Traditional phones react, AI phones anticipate, they suggest replies, enhance photos instantly, and adapt to your needs. It's a shift from tool to partner. Your phone helps you get things done, not just follow orders. That's the real promise of an AI phone, proactive, personalized intelligence. The future is a device that truly understands you. Traditional smartphones are amazing. They put the world in your pocket, but their power comes from you. You choose the settings, organize files, and control every action. CPUs and GPUs make them fast, but they aren't built for learning or adapting. When you use AI features, your data often goes to the cloud, which can be slow and raises privacy concerns. Customization is manual. You set alarms, create folders, and manage storage. You're the system administrator, and the phone does exactly what you tell it. No surprises. This gives you control, but also means more work. A traditional smartphone is a passive portal. Its intelligence comes from apps and cloud services, not the device itself. It's reliable and predictable, like a manual car, great for those who love control. But it lacks the context-aware, adaptive features that define the next generation. As AI phones emerge, the gap between passive tools and proactive assistance is only growing. The question is, do you want to keep driving or let your phone help steer? The choice is shifting from control to convenience. Traditional smartphones are powerful, but the future is smarter. Are you ready for the upgrade? So what can AI phones do that your current phone can't? First, the camera AI recognizes what you're shooting. People, pets, sunsets, and instantly adjusts settings for the perfect shot. Communication gets smarter too. AI screens spam calls, transcribes conversations, and even answers unknown numbers for you. Instant language translation? Just point your camera at a menu or talk to someone in another language. Your phone translates in real time. Battery life is optimized. AI learns your habits, puts unused apps to sleep, and manages charging to keep your battery healthy longer. Wellness features are built in. Your phone can nudge you if you're slouching or holding the screen too close. These aren't just gimmicks, they're practical, everyday improvements. AI turns your phone into a health companion, translator, and personal assistant. The result? A device that adapts to you, not the other way around. It's about making life easier, safer, and more efficient. AI phones redefine what a smartphone can be. The difference is in the details, small, smart features that add up. Your phone becomes a true partner in your daily life. The future is about intelligence, not just speed. Are you ready for a phone that works for you? AI phones are impressive, but they come with trade-offs. First, the price. Cutting-edge tech means a higher cost, usually reserved for flagship models. Privacy is a concern. AI learns from your data, so you have to trust manufacturers to keep it secure. Some features still rely on the cloud, so in areas with poor connectivity, your AI phone might feel less smart. The rapid pace of innovation means today's best features could be outdated soon, leading to tech FOMO and frequent upgrades. For many, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but it's not a perfect solution. Consider your budget, privacy comfort, and how much you'll use these features. The AI phone is powerful, but not for everyone, yet. The choice is yours: cutting-edge intelligence or tried-and-true reliability. Let's see AI phones in action. Driving, your phone detects it, auto-replies to texts and reads messages aloud. No distractions, just safety. Searching for a photo? Just type dog with frisbee at beach. AI finds it instantly, no endless scrolling. On a video call in a messy room, AI blurs your background and filters out noise, keeping you professional. Listening to music and someone talks to you? AI earbuds pause the track automatically, then resume when you're done. These aren't huge changes alone, but together, they make your phone feel intuitive and helpful. The technology adapts to your life, not the other way around. Everyday tasks become smoother and less intrusive. AI phones turn small moments into seamless experiences. It's about convenience, safety, and efficiency. The future is a phone that understands context. These real-world benefits are what set AI phones apart. Are you ready for a smarter daily routine? So, should you upgrade to an AI phone? It depends on your needs. If you're a content creator or vlogger, AI camera features can elevate your work with less effort. Busy professionals and travelers benefit from smarter calls, translations, and battery life. For these users, the investment is worth it. But if you just call, text, and browse, your current phone may be enough. If you value simplicity, privacy, or affordability, sticking with a traditional phone makes sense. The best phone is the one that fits your lifestyle. AI phones are the future, more personal, predictive, and integrated. The choice is yours. Control or convenience, tradition or innovation. Which path will you choose?